Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the tropical side of the garden here. It's 5th or 6th of October now, and I think it's looking about as good as it's going to look. We don't have any frost warnings yet, but we'll be starting to think about removing some of the stuff from the ground. These bananas, they stay in the ground. They did really well this year. They're absolutely huge. Here's as high as I can reach in there. They must be, I don't know, there's my hand. They're so far up there. There's been a few windstorms, so they're a little tattered, but they're huge. They must be 18 feet tall. Australian mint bush buried in here. That's going to stay out. There's a hardy hibiscus. That'll stay out. This is a Tasmanian tree fern. That'll be okay to stay out. Cannas this year, we're going to try to leave some of them out. I usually bring them all in. Bougainvillea, that's got to come in soon. It goes up to here. It did really good out here this year. Palm tree, that can stay out. The Brugmansias here, they're still in bloom. They got huge. This one actually broke down here, so we're going to just cut this large branch off and keep the rest of it. So that kind of sucks that that one got just too heavy, I guess. Let's see. Ooh, there's definitely been a few wind and rain storms and stuff like that. There is the red banana that has to come in. I'm gonna guess that that's 15 feet tall, maybe a little taller. I'll take you down here and you can see the trunk. There's the trunk of it. It's that's just one leaf. That's not the whole trunk. The trunk's probably 2 feet across. There's some taros buried under it. I did a video on planting those up this spring. They did really well. There's a taro leaf up here. They're probably 4 or 5 feet tall. Let's see. Oh, there's definitely been some wind damage. That leaf has collapsed. This taro leaf has a huge rip in it right here. Try to not cause a shadow from the sun. But yeah, the banana did really good. So it's going to be tough to store. We have some big pots. Now this whole thing here is one Brugmansia. It goes from there, you can see an angel's trumpet flower, to there. So it's probably 12 feet tall and 10 feet wide. That's one plant. Beautiful plant, lots of flowers on it still. It's a shame that winter's coming. And there's the trunk of it. It goes up in 3 sections. Here's another taro down here. You can see 4 growths on the taro. It's going to be a big root ball down there. Another taro over there. The other side of the banana grove, so you can see it. We're a little taller up here, so that doesn't look quite so tall. Another taro that's got to come in. This is a tropical hibiscus. It did really well out here this year. It probably grew a foot or so, lots of buds on it. It's a shame that'll have to come in soon. Canna lily just starting to bloom. So as I say, some of those are going to come in. Some of those are going to stay out this year. We'll see how that goes. A little experiment. They're supposed to be good to zone 8, which is what we are. And they just don't like our wet winters, so I'm going to try to figure out a way to keep them in the ground but keep them drier. So if you guys have any tips on how to overwinter cannas outside in zone 8, that would be helpful. So leave those in the comments below. Anyways, this might be the last tropical garden update we do. It's just crazy because this Brugmansia is so far out. It's like taking up half the yard. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.